Hi, this is Mr. Cappert. In this video, I'm going to continue to show you how to model this Minecraft creeper. Last video, we made his head. Now I'm going to finish off his body. Now make sure you open your file and you orbit to show the bottom of his head. You're going to start a 2D sketch there. Your grid should still be on if you set it up correctly. I'm going to use the rectangle tool. His head's got an overhang on my design of 1 block. Now, once again, proper form would be to dimension this. We're doing this for fun, so whatever. So we're going to do finish sketch. We're then going to hit extrude. It auto-selected because it was only profile. And once again, I'm going to do the laziest way possible to extrude this. It's 10 blocks. Each block is 1/4 of an inch in size. So I just counted up the grid lines on my sketch that I did. Boom. So his body was pretty easy. Now we're going to do his legs. You're going to need to zoom to the side here, or you can always use the view cube. You're then going to start a 2D sketch now on this surface, on this side of him here. And we're going to sketch in his legs onto here. And his leg starts here. I made it 3 by 3. Oh no, good thing I checked. 3 by 4. Oop, that's 4. See, it's a little annoying to count blocks. Sometimes it's easier just to dimension it. Sketch. We're going to use extrude. Choose both shapes you want to extrude. They're going the wrong way. So it needs to be a negative here. And mine is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 grid lines. So 6 grid lines. And each one is 1/4 of an inch. I made it negative. It seems to not like that. One moment. All right, never mind. Do math. It would be 1.5, but it's negative since we're going the opposite direction. I don't know. This thing is really acting up. Bizarre. So, I don't know. Click and drag it. Sorry about that. This thing is just acting up. That should have worked. You can do a negative. I've never had it where it erred on that before. Hit OK. Now you've got his legs on there. Lastly, I'm going to put a little slot going through here. I was just looking at my notes. Put it approximately in the right spot. I would turn off snap to grid in this case. And then I left just a little slot here, so got to look at the dimensions I gave this. 0.95. And then this side should be 1.05. Notice I definitely did something real wrong there. Wow, sorry about that. I'm not paying much attention here. It's a little early. So, but this is good practice. To delete a dimension, just click on it. My drawing, I actually dimensioned from that edge. If I was paying attention, I would have got that right. Details matter. 0.95. And then from here to here, it's up to you what you use as your reference. I used 1.05. So I made just a tiny slot to make this 2 legs. Finish that. Then use extrude. You want to choose that shape there. Sometimes it's easier just to grab this thing and cut through there. It automatically changed it to cut. If it didn't, hit that cut and then give it a value that goes all the way through. Hit OK. And then lastly, I want to color them in. Remember, you use this color looking wheel up here. You have to click and drag all over him. And remember, if you print this, it can only be one color at this point. You could color in a bunch of colors, but that is not what it's going to end up looking like. So you could choose your color, hit the check mark, and make sure you hit the save button. Let me know if you have any questions at all.